Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to allow only admin to send message in WhatsApp group. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up WhatsApp and then go ahead and find the group. Okay, so just tap on it. Now make sure that, of course, you are the admin of this group. So just go ahead and go to the three dots right here at the very top or at the top right. Tap on it. Then here, just go ahead and tap on group info. Now, in this section, we are going to find the group permission section. Okay, just got to tap on it. And then after that, as you can see here at the top, members can what? Edit group settings. If you want to disable it, go ahead and do so. Send new messages, importantly, disable it. And some other options right here. Your members can add other members or invite other members via link or QR code. It's up to you. Okay. Also, you can enable approve new members. Only you can approve it. All right. That's basically it. Now, once that's done, just go ahead and go back. And as you can see here, permissions have been updated. That's just how easy it is to allow only admin to send messages in a WhatsApp group. All right. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.